Hey there! Are you fed up with dragging your laundry to the laundromat or dealing with a giant washing machine that takes up half your apartment? Well, today's your lucky day. We're checking out the best portable washing machines that are super compact, easy to use, and perfect for small spaces. Whether you're in a dorm, apartment, or RV, these little guys will make laundry day way easier and way faster. Stick around because we're about to find your new laundry BFF. Let's start. Number 1 is Giantex Full Automatic Washing Machine. If you're looking for a full automatic portable washer that balances convenience and performance, the Giantex washing machine stands out. It offers 10 wash programs and 8 water levels, giving you precise control over your laundry. The 12-pound capacity is impressive for a compact unit, allowing you to wash multiple garments at once. One of its standout features is the automatic balance adjustment, which keeps the machine stable even if your laundry load is uneven. The child lock adds an extra layer of safety, while the transparent lid lets you monitor your clothes as they wash. It's a great pick for small apartments, dorms, or RVs where space is limited, but efficiency is key. Number 2 is Euhomy Portable Washer. The Euhomy Portable Washer is built for efficiency and versatility. With a stainless steel drum and a compact design, it's perfect for small living spaces. This machine weighs just under 40 pounds, making it easy to move, and features 10 different wash programs, including a 24-hour delay start option. A key highlight is the 5 water level selections, allowing you to adjust water usage depending on your load size. Plus, it includes a removable lint filter, a useful addition for pet owners. The anti-slip feet ensures stability, and the child safety lock prevents accidental disruptions. If you want a lightweight yet powerful washing machine, the Euhomy is a solid choice. Number 3 is Black Decker Portable Washer. Black Decker brings its reputation for durability and innovation to this portable washer. This model is small yet mighty, offering 5 wash cycles for different fabric types. Unlike other models, it only supports cold water washing, making it ideal for delicate clothing. It features a rust-resistant stainless steel tub, a transparent, quiet, close lid, and auto-unbalance detection to ensure stable performance. With side handles and roller wheels, it's designed for easy transport and storage, making it an excellent choice for apartments, RVs, or dorm rooms. If you need a no-fuss, reliable portable washer, this one delivers. Number 4 is Comfee Portable Washing Machine. For those prioritizing energy efficiency, the Comfee Portable Washer is a top contender. This full automatic machine features 5 wash programs, 3 water levels, and a customizable wash cycle, allowing you to adjust wash time, rinse time, and spin speed. Despite its compact size, this washer is DOA certified, consuming 87.5% less energy than similar models. It also features auto-unbalance detection, which prevents shaking and potential leaks. The stainless steel drum, transparent lid, and LED display make it a convenient choice for small spaces, including RVs, dorms, and tiny homes. If you need a portable washer with smart energy-saving features, this one fits the bill. Number 5 is Auertech Portable Washing Machine. The Auertech Portable Mini Washer is designed for those who need an efficient and space-saving laundry solution. This twin tub washer lets you wash and spin dry clothes simultaneously, making laundry faster and more convenient. Equipped with a 1300 RPM motor, this machine provides powerful cleaning while using minimal water and electricity. The washer holds up to 18 pounds, while the spin dryer can handle 10 pounds of laundry, making it ideal for small apartments, dorms, and RVs. One standout feature is the built-in drain pump, which allows water to drain freely, even if your drainage point is higher. The adjustable inlet hose also makes water filling easy. Plus, the transparent window lets you monitor the washing and spinning process. Number 6 is HABUTWAY Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine. If you're looking for a durable and high-capacity twin tub washer, this portable washing machine is worth considering. It has an 11-pound wash capacity and 6.6-pound spin capacity, making it a great fit for small households. This semi-automatic machine lets you control the wash and spin cycles separately. It features 3 washing modes and a 15-minute wash timer for quick, effective cleaning. The built-in drain pump ensures hassle-free water drainage, and the True Rinse technology reduces water waste. What makes this washer stand out is its ultra-quiet operation, with noise levels under 20 decibels. It's ideal for nighttime use. The sturdy plastic body, aluminum pump, and upgraded motor ensure durability, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. Number 7 is BANGSON Portable Washing Machine. It offers a total capacity of 17.6 pounds with an 11-pound washer and a 6.6-pound spin dryer. Designed for efficiency, it features a powerful 1700 RPM motor that ensures deep cleaning with high-speed water spinning. This machine has 3 wash modes: soft, normal, and drain, plus a 20-minute soak function for deeper cleaning. The removable filter makes maintenance easy, preventing lint buildup inside the tub. Additionally, the extended power cord and flexible hoses make installation much easier in different settings. If you're looking for a semi-automatic washer with good portability, this one is a strong contender. It's lightweight, compact, and perfect for small spaces like dorms, RVs, and apartments. Number 8 is Erivess Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine. The Erivess Twin Tub Washer is another semi-automatic option that combines washing and spinning functions. It has a 13-pound washer capacity and a 9-pound spin dryer, making it perfect for small loads. What makes this washer unique is its silver ion technology, which generates silver ions during washing to penetrate clothing fibers for deeper cleaning. It also features 240-watt washing power and 110-watt spinning power, ensuring efficient performance. If you need a fully automatic option, go for the Giantex, Euhomy, Black Decker, or Comfee models from the earlier reviews. But if you prefer manual control and energy savings, the Auertech, HABUTWAY, BANGSON, and Erivess washers are great choices. Whichever you choose, a portable washing machine can make laundry much more convenient, especially in small spaces, RVs, or dorms. So pick the one that best fits your needs and enjoy hassle-free washing.